All right, so let's deep dive a little bit into my bike and the things that I chose to put on it. When I first put everything on the first time, it took forever because I didn't know how to put it and fix everything. It takes, I don't know, 10 minutes now. So starting from the front, we got the Rolltop Handlebar Bag. This obviously expands out a lot and it becomes pretty big.
Is that waterproof?
Yes, it's nothing you should swim with, but obviously it will handle rain and all that stuff.
We had one day when it was raining from when we woke up.
When we got out
yeah,
to the tent and when we got back in, pretty much. You have straps here. You can obviously extend these straps if you want to have more storage or you want to strap something on the outside. You can do that like a jacket or a sitting pad or whatever. The next thing that we had in the front, the snack bag. And this is meant to go here, or aimed, so you have the logo facing you. And you can obviously put snacks in here. You can have a bottle. We did that. This is the normal bottle that I have here. Goes in here without a problem, and you can have it like that. If you're going out for a day or a shorter trip and you don't have all the other accessories and you just want go light and you want to bring snacks and stuff and you don't want to carry it on your person, this one will come in handy. It has its use cases, but for us I think it was a bit overkill since we had so many other bags with us. Then we got the small Toptube Bag.
probably my favorite bag.
If you're starting out small and you just want to bring one thing, this would be it. At first when I got it, I was like, what do I put here? But then we just started to put everything. And it's waterproof zippers at the top.
But it's not totally waterproof.
No, it's nothing you will swim with, but it will cover you from rain. And obviously you're leaning over, so you will cover yourself a lot as well. So this is super nice. And what else do we had? I put my glasses there. All the small
batteries, keys,
all the small things that you quickly want to get to, and just know where they are. You put them here, and I can show you inside. Here we can see that you have two mesh pockets on the side, and then you have the sort of bigger compartment there. Two-way zippers, so it's open there, open close, and then open close like that. And you can obviously do this on when you're riding the bike. That's also something that's real nice. You can just open it up and get what you want. Let's move back to this thing right here. So this is the Seatbag Harness. This could set you up for a day trip plus, or even an overnighter in summer if you don't have a lot of things with you. This bag here is 10 liters, I think. What I like about this one is that it's not in the way for anything. You don't even know that it's there. And if you take a look at your bike, I really like this setup. This is just this holder right here, and then just nothing but the wheel. And you're allowed to really, this is maybe a little bit too much, but you can really extend it out and fill this with, you could, a little tarp, poncho, you could fit that in here. And maybe a small, thin, inflatable sleeping mat, and you're good to go. If you just want to do a one-nighter. This is waterproof as well. Nothing you should swim with, but it gets pretty big. And what I like about this one specifically, you really can compress this thing down.
And you don't need to have those bags to actually use this. You can have like clothes and stuff.
Yeah, you can just use it
like
as is, definitely.
Jackets or whatever.
Yeah, totally. Our biggest issue with this one was kind of fit this thing on.
Fasten it.
Yeah, exactly. Right, so next up we got the seat bag harness. So let's see if we can get that fitted. Abba said he struggled a little bit with that, but what does he know? Right, so it's finally on. 3 hours later, it's not fiddly at all. I don't know what Abba's talking about. It was just 1, 2, 3, and it's pretty much on. All right, let's do the next thing. All right, then we got the cool caves. These are the cool caves, or this one.
That's okay. I don't know the name of them. So
you got the cargo net. That's included. The cargo net we found was really good as well.
I was surprised how good it was.
Yeah, because that will allow you to just cram everything in here. Just tighten things. If you just want to strap a jacket here, you want to be able to get to that quickly. And obviously you can just get everything in there. There is a waterproof compression sack for this one as well that I used. I found that to be great because then I can easily get to it, and we just stored everything in there.
Yeah, we both used them.
Yeah. Here we go. This is you see. Been used. It's not brand new anymore. Here you can see if you adjust it, if you have this frame, or if you've got another frame, you can just adjust it, and then you can move this one. You can untie the screw and you can move the click system there. Then on the other side we had this one. This will be the lid. You have a small pocket, or not small, it's pretty big actually, where you just had the pump and extra tubes and other spare parts in here.
I actually use mine as an extra bag when I'm like for every day.
Yeah, that's the thing, because you can hook it up like that, and then in here, this is where this comes in handy. You have, so you can use this as a sling bag, or yeah, just a waist bag or whatever. And then I guess it's this one.
The favorite bag.
Yeah,
or my favorite.
The
bag.
most hype bag, I guess.
I love it.
I ended up not using it as much as I hoped, but yeah, I think as a camera bag or just, you know, a foldable rucksack, it definitely has its use case. But again, same with the snack bag. In our case, when we had so many other bags, this was like, I don't know what to put in here at this point, because we could store everything we needed in the other bag.
For a one-day adventure, I think it's great.
This is ultimate. Again, if you have this, and this, you're good to go. And of course,
and here's the big thing.
Yeah, the big thing about this one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's quite large actually.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now that so obviously you have a foldable backpack, and like we mentioned, if you have the other things and you want to get off the bike, or I don't know, just buy stuff, groceries or whatever.
Exactly.
This is perfect. But yeah, you got yourself a backpack right there.
Yeah.
And then you can just fold it up and get it to be somewhat quickly. You can get it to be hip bag. Let's let Abbe take the light a little bit, and he's going to tell us about his bike, the Principia.
Something I didn't have on the adventure, but I do have now, and this is something that I have on all the time. This bag, this is really nice.
Just open it one more time so you can see the quick opening.
There is actually a button that you can press this onto, but this goes so very fast to get whatever you have here.
Quick opening.
And most of the time I have that camera in here, so I can get it out very fast.
And what else you got here? Because you got the mesh pockets up top, and
yeah,
on
you
the
have
side you can put your phone and snacks there. Again, like we mentioned with the snack bag, you got
honestly the mesh bags on the sides, I didn't use them at all because they were getting in the way of me changing gears.
It's hard shell as well.
Yeah.
And then I just want to see so you got a mesh pocket here.
Exactly.
And then it's pretty much, you got one in the other side as well.
Yeah, exactly.
So 2 mesh pockets and then one big. And then this one here allows you to
use it as a
handbag. Is that what we would call it?
As a purse.
Purse, yeah. 100% camera bag right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it looks really cool.
Yeah.
I've seen that Fjällräven actually makes a rain cover for this.
Yeah, they do.
So you could actually, if you're out in the rain, you should probably get the rain cover as well.
Yeah. Obviously, we're going to do more adventures. If you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comments down below. And we're going to show you more stuff and the clothes that we used. Stay tuned, because there's more bike adventures coming. That's all we can say.
Hell yeah. I'm sold.
Yeah, me too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.